We're back at the smoke pit barbecue trailer. I'm about to slay some ribs for Christmas. Let's just do that right now. Count my bones, 13 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, that 13th one, that's just a little baby one. But I'm gonna leave it on there though. Skirts, this here's sides already. Go ahead and score it up a little bit. Call that good. Put the killer hogs, I'm gonna put the killer hog stuff on the top. Presentation side. If you're wondering, we got a little bit of butt rub going on here. Good stuff. Try it. Got going on here. There's generally this little piece of fat right here has to, this ain't bad at all, but I'm just gonna, since I'm just showing, I'm gonna cut it off. There's usually there's this whole section of fat. So this side's good too. We got the killer hogs. You gotta try this one too. Good stuff. Butt rub. And number 1 is ready for the grill or the smoker. I meant to say the smoker. Number 1's ready for the smoker. Now on to rib number 2. Start out on the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one here's got 12, but that's fine. These St. Louis cut ribs are generally 11 to 12 ribs, bones. I'm just going to score this up a little bit because this side here looks great. It's fantastic. Not much to do. A little bit of butt rub on it. What's this guy's name? Myron? Oh, Bad Byron's. Yeah, butt rub. This used to be #1 bestseller on Amazon some years back. I'm not sure where it stands right now. I may just start doing something like that. I think that would be interesting to just buy different rib rubs and hold a contest. 1, 2, 3. Have a taste test and see who's the best. Let me know if you like that. Killer hogs. Magic. And this guy, Malcolm, he's from Mississippi. That's up north, just south of Memphis. Oops. I forgot to check this little fat piece right there. I'm gonna get this off. I forgot to check it. All right, that'll do it. Patch it up. Now number 2's ready for the smoker. Oh, this is an odd rib right here. Just closes in. I'm missing some bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 11 and 12, but man, the butcher right there, he kind of messed up on that. And this here is really thin, so I'm gonna just cut this here off. That's gonna get dried up. Find that bone right there. I can cook it separate. Give it to a pet or something. I'm gonna have to really look at this here guy, interrogate it and check it because he got past the door with some malformities. Otherwise, it looks good. Butt rub. Need some room for that smoke flavor. Here, chunk of fat. And the reason I'm taking off this here fat right here is it just doesn't render down very good in a timely fashion. And then it still tastes, I don't even know how to describe the taste. Have y'all tasted this here chunk of fat before? It's just chewy and slimy. No matter how long you cook it. Well, no matter how long I cook it. I ain't gonna be cooking 12 hours to render down some fat. Go ahead and score this up a little bit. Back to the killer hogs. This one here probably gonna need some extra killer hog just because it came in the door looking funny. But we gonna deal with it. As soon as it go on the smoker, it's a done deal. You ain't gonna be able to taste the difference. It's just gonna be a bold, delicious flavor. Tack that on there. And that makes number 3, Shorty. It's ready for the smoker. All right, let's get this here last one. A little bit of fat there. Not much going on, looking pretty good. Just score it up a little bit. That looks good. Check out this here chunk of fat. Oh, it's on this side. Again, we want to get off this here, at least I do. I take off this here fat. You probably should too. You don't want to look up and have your customer or your guest just kind of just chewing on some fat and it's not moving at all. So cut it off. That looks pretty good. Now, if it's just a little bit down there, it'll render. Actually, it tastes quite good. All right. Nope. Butt rub. Killer hog. Oh, look at this. That could be problemsome. So let me scar this up. Get it. Or hopefully it'll render. Back to the killer hogs. All-purpose seasoning. I don't know why this stuff here. This just tastes good. You put this stuff on some steak, tack it on. Oh man, it's that good. You want to grab a spoon and almost just take a spoonful with your rib and your steak. Nah, don't do that. Butt rub, that should be good. Number 4, it's ready for the smoker. All right, I'm gonna go put these on the smoker and I'm gonna catch y'all after.
Okay, let's go.